Welcome back once more. Ngasi video asida aikoina nainagadori basi class 12 ki chapter number 16 environmental issues ki water pollution and its control haiba matang asidani ising da thogan ba amot pasing and matu amot pasing do karam haina aikoina control dogani having matang astu nainasi. Human beings have been abusing the water bodies around the world atau karamna by disposing into them all kinds of waste. We tend to believe that water can wash away everything, not taking cognizance of the fact that the water bodies are our lifeline as well as that of all other living organisms. We common belief from like to the Mapalda labor missing mostly, but Adum cendha jagi daubo habsi kadai da jagaduna karam mapamdro man cendha gadorisi. So ultimately madu water se koi lifeline hoibanina ko koina adum cendha jagi daubo haibo wakhaladu leibe yadi harin ko. Can you list what all we tend to try and wash away through our rivers and drains? Drain dekta thadaba turel dekta thadaba patauti hitu to galidna ko ado kari kari no se koi idea happy lebiram ni ko. Due to such activities of humankind, so the ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, estuaries, and oceans are becoming polluted in several parts of the world. Realizing the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of the water bodies, the government of India has passed the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 as passed over to safeguard our water resources. So chapter sida koina video sing te so dum yeng biro the chapter si hobode loi bauda act maming khara yawi ko madugi sahi sing do adugi list to sem to piu ko aduga madugi act to gi aim to kari no haibu so sem to piu adu parikha da lak page dum chance lei di bani ko. So koi ki human beings na water bodies da thadari bo phatauti sing je kari kari no haiba matam da domestic sewage haiba siga industrial effluents haiba siga ni ko mainly sewage haragana yumdi ki botok phatauti mahi sing doni ko industrial effluent haragana industry digi botok phatauti mahi sing doni. So sida diagram ko piye sida pie chart ko piri composition of wastewater haidna water is 99.9% orga impurities है 0.1% ओइबा मतम सि पाउ त कोइन water do polluted water and high get olbini ko madi or impurities se kana suspended solids which include sand, silt, clay, colloidal material, the fecal matter ko fatau pin number 2 ki pot sai sing ni ko bacteria, cloth and paper fibers, dissolved materials ta nitrate, ammonia, phosphate simiam sing chini ko impurities sing cha si phajal si pa pusin bio. As we work with water in our homes, in the cities and towns, we wash everything into drains. So, have you ever wondered where the sewage that comes out of our houses go? Even Manipur toilet ki putoi ba patauti number 2 sing che Manipur da ude pi tanki sarga tanki de store dor thum nei kwa adu ba so city sing da di building Imphal city sing yaw na kwa edogi haiba tam da patauti sing che direct soro ki makha da lei ki ba sewerage project sewerage plant na koi sewers member it na kwa adu ki sewers ke jitan thada kri ne ba adu khada is ki ge se ultimately sing da ki doi ni na Manipur ki khwai da ki name jaga na to che ki doi cha Manipur ki khwai da ki name jaga ki mam ti kari ko ba khwai da ki name de sing tunga lai gani ko no ko loktak pa dai adu Manipur ki turial da thada ri sing ji loktak lo yo ki doi ni na ko turial khara budi loktak yo de loktak na taba samudra yo ki doi ni. Anyway, what happens in the villages is the sewage treated before being transported to the nearest river and mixed with it. A mere 0.1% impurities make domestic sewage unfit for human use. You have read about sewage treatment plants in chapter 10. Chapter 10 video sewage treatment solids are relatively easy to remove. What is most difficult to remove are dissolved salts such as nitrates, phosphates, and other nutrients, and the toxic metal ions and the inorganic compounds which the domestic sewage primarily contains biodegradable organic matter yawe ba jomdi ke betul ba tauti mahi number 2 ki product sing yarba jang na pi sam bagi mahi sing manai sing mayam se organic matter yawe ba biodegradable ba which readily decomposes thanks to the bacteria and other microorganisms which can multiply using these substances as substrate and hence utilize some of the components of sewage. So microbes sing na ako biodegradable sing dubudi degrade tawba ngami aduna khara makai di sapai hari ni ko adubu yengsi ko is it possible to estimate the amount of biodegradable organic matter in sewage water by measuring kariye biochemical oxygen demand. So sewage da hai tare ko biodegradable organic matter kem yaugi hai base ko on be yai biochemical oxygen demand method as seen ko BOD kai no hajar ke can you explain how in the chapter on microorganisms you have read about the relationship between BOD microorganisms and the amount of biodegradable matter ai hajar ke har nai mamang da pagi mamang ki page sida special pada diagram amatang yau ki ko masi diagram sisu pun hajar ke mun tabiu so jaina no khidar ka dorisi biochemical oxygen demand karino haibu ni ko mun taw si bagi sewage the yauriba organic matter sing se biodegradable organic matter sing se kana na decompose tawge hai matamda decomposer sing na tawwe ba masigi decomposer sing se aerobes ngatane hai ba aerobes sai di oxygen requiring hai ba adu itar ka tiengo particular water body the yauriba organic matter sing to dissolve tawna ba decomposer sing na oxygen kayam yam na darkar lai hari quantity si on be ya ba hodi organic matter he na yauri makai oxygen requiring hendu natro aduki the amount of oxygen koi my unit budi mayam lai ko yam na general ba definition ne pizari base the amount of oxygen required by the microbes decomposers ke duni ko to decompose the organic matter present in the water do madu ko na biochemical oxygen demand ko Manipuri da hai sini da microbes sing na water body de yauri ba dissolve oiba organic matter sing du decompose to na ba kinamata darkar laiba oxygen gi quantity do volume do madu ko na biochemical oxygen demand ko अदो तारदी particular water body amagi BOD wange di kai hai no BOD wange di oxygen demand hele hai ni kari no oxygen demand hele di adauti me am yogi organic matter me am yogi ado targadi when a water body has high BOD it indicates that the water is eba more le hai ni ko more polluted hai ni ko aduna yesi kari hairke diagram explain tor kari figure 16.3 shows some of the changes that one may notice following discharge of sewage into a what river so river da ko de sewage hapsan mo tam da kari ko mula pagi haibu ni ko na diagram se uli base microorganisms involved in biodegradation of organic matter in the receiving water body consume a lot of oxygen. Oxygen is there is a sharp decline in dissolved oxygen downstream from the point of sewage discharge. Say single ni consider. None of the sewage happen like Halazeva. Other Tagadi, Sigi Makatan with the lady sing to the oxygen is sunk see on the later Rohaba. Kari microkinesis in a this causes Kedorani, dissolved oxygen is sunk from themselves Taragadi. Aquatic organism mayam ki khwai marui na nga sing ye ko oxygen phangdravina mortality of fish and other aquatic creatures to have ऐसे को diagram में करी है क्या ना हमने मोले हम तो मुझे सके diagram में करी है रे नेम व्यू से sewage discharge से तो है को sewage discharge है तो पम मतमदा कई तो रे हाँ BOD खंगवांग वंकल बरा वंकल को अदुगा BOD asum nem tharakpa biochemical oxygen demand nem thaba aduga dissolved oxygen asum gon khatle haba audi now turil niko aduna sewage discharge tawam site yengo sewage discharge tawam sida koigi dissolved oxygen se khangnem nem se lagi ko aduga BOD sina khangwang mang kachidra adu turial china sum cheli mate BOD to ultimately sum nem sa lagta bani natra adu oxygen content to sum hinkalta bani but sewage treatment no padu dati I mean sewage treatment hai kare sewage discharge ki mafam du dati segi problem su yamna thokpani na kedore fish nga sire ko adu sum cheli mate koi ising ase asian bani na ko koi dilution to ki bani na semu purakani have du gut pani ko so maduni figure ase de boli base ko yengsi makada kari hari presence of large amount of nutrients in water also causes excessive growth of planktonic, that is free floating algae. Plankton adi kaino harga ising da tawraga laiba using sekuna plankton kawi ko called an algal bloom. Sida kari hai no harga muntabiu dissolved oxygen se dissolved oxygen hai kare BOD si wankale BOD wankale se kari ye organic matter yambagi adun ta ko food mayam le ram natro food mayam le ram ni na microbes se khangen henkalakani hai ko madugi microbe khanghen henkalapagi matam dubni koina algal bloom man hai ga doise which imparts a distinct color to the water body madugi algae sing do machu like oi machu oi color oi organism oi banina isingi machu do honga kane aba algal blooms cause deterioration of the water quality and fish mortality I think asai algal bloom to tautar gadi dissolved oxygen to wala banina ha isingi quality hantare nga si jale hai bani ko some bloom forming algae are extremely toxic to human beings and animals. The human beings that are toxic and mountain algae you may have seen the beautiful mauve colored flowers found on very appealingly shaped floating plants in water bodies. Exactly Yaman Grey Kogore, ha, Pekanava, Pam Kabo Ramani have in the these plants, which were introduced into India for their lovely flowers, have caused havoc by their excessive growth by causing blocks in our waterways. They grow faster than our ability to remove them. These are plants of water hyacinth, Iconia crassipes, the world's most problematic aquatic weed. The chief problematic aquatic weed ki maming kari kawi haidana answer ta kabukang option there mayor maroi water hyacinth natragana Iconia crassipes haitare ko also called I mean atopa terror of Bengal I don't know ko Bay of Bengal da ajakraba Sundarbans kale to man mangta halai ni ko they grow abundantly in eutrophic water bodies and led to an imbalance in the ecosystem dynamics of the water body eutrophic kaino hajarake sewage from our homes as well as from hospitals are likely to contain many undesirable pathogenic microorganisms yum dagi thorai ba hospital dagi thorai ba sewage kai sa mahik chen ba microbes yarom gani habani ko aduna and its disposal into water without proper treatment may cause outbreak of serious diseases such as dysentery ngamdaba typhoid jaundice cholera etc. Now unlike domestic sewage wastewater from industry like petroleum gumba pepper manufacturing metal extraction and processing chemical manufacturing often contain toxic substances, notably heavy metals. Heavy metal is 5 gram per cubic centimeter amadagi and density like mercury, cadmium, copper, lead, heavy metal and a variety of organic compounds. Yariko, industry organic inorganic substances toxic substances often present in industrial waters can undergo biological magnification biomagnification in the aquatic food chain. So ising the food chain the biomagnification process biomagnification biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic levels. See diagram se apetang yengbiro ikitanga picture jahange. So diagram se uli see aquatic ecosystem da se ising si zooplankton singna sijinare zooplankton sing si nga masa singna sathokle nga masa si nga sobna mu sathokle adagi di nga sobu sing sina sing sare yengo ising the DDT dichlorodiphényl trichloroethane hariba non biodegradable waste around 0.003 ppb de yawe. Zooplankton na masi 0.04 ppm de hinkathale. Small fish na 0.05, large fish ta 2 ppm, uchek tadi 25 ppm yokore. So as we go up the food chain, there's an increase in the concentration of such non-biodegradable toxicant. Masigi phenomenon chipo koina biomagnification. This happens because the toxic substances accumulated by an organism cannot be metabolized or excreted and is thus passed on to the next higher trophic levels. Large fish ppm suppose human beings DDT around say 100 mg mo your kanda CC in body sum sasin no matter no 100 mg yo nga the hexaro the quedum bomb low to the sea to in sick always go vegan ko adugini biomagnification je hanta hanaba or one the nerba this phenomenon is well known for mercury show to mangai DDT show to mangai ko figure the would biomagnification of DDT in aquatic food chain. In this manner, the concentration of DDT is increased at a successive trophic level. Say it starts at 0.003 ppb parts billion in water. It can ultimately reach up to 25 ppm in fish eating birds through magnification. Aduna high concentration of DDT calcium metabolism in birds, which causes thinning of eggshell. Calcium metabolism in birds that disturb aduna marum kokumatam the marum to yamna param premature breaking thoni eventually causing decline in the bird populations. Application based question da mamangai hangnara me Manipur dagi kwak si mutsalai si karino kaina ko crow si Manipur da pak lai te karino haina ko maram si karino haraga DDT sai kiben maram moidana marum kokpa marum du masawan mangamdaba adugini hai tori bani ko matangi topic asi eutrophication hai eutrophication asi natural process ni ko part ama natural uina aging amisilakpa Masiki phenomenon is eutrophication. So eutrophication is the natural aging of a lake by nutrient enrichment of its water. See, now the water is cold and clear, supporting little life. With time, streams draining into the lake introduce nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, yamkalani, moidana namiki mangal de chupsalani, aduna singdo. Definitely which encourages the growth of aquatic organisms. As the lake's fertility increases, lake to be prosperity plant and animal life versions and organic remains begin to be deposited on the lake bottom. Natural aging. Ziva Miam deposits on the lake bottom over the centuries, as silt and organic debris pile up, the lake grows shallower and warmer. With warm water, organisms supplanting those that thrive in a cold environment. With warm water organisms, marsh plants take root in the shallows and begin to fill in the original lake basin. Eventually, the lake gives way to large masses of floating plants, finally converting into land. Land on Gidoiba. Sidani, Manipur, am the Maru part, my Amama land on the lake Requa, Shampart, Lampel part, particular lady part, Porom part, depending on climate, size of the lake, and other factors. The natural aging of lake may span thousands of years. Pollutants from man's activities like effluents from the industries and homes can radically accelerate the aging process. Masigi accelerated aging process ki phenomenon si cultural or accelerated eutrophication ko. Adar mamang the eutrophied lake aido yam anu shalaba. During the past century, lakes in many parts of the earth have been severely eutrophied by sewage and agricultural and industrial wastes. The prime contaminants are nitrates and phosphates, which act as plant nutrient. They overstimulate the growth of algae, growth causing unsightly scum and unpleasant odors, and robbing the water of dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen vital to other or aquatic life. At the same time, the pollutants flowing into the lake may poison whole populations of fish, which whose decomposing remains part of decomposing remains further deplete the water key dissolved oxygen content. In such fashion, a lake can literally choke to death. Eutrophication, the accelerated eutrophication. Thermal water, thermal power plants, thermal plants industry, heated wastewater flowing out of electricity generating units constitute under the important category of pollutants. Thermal wastewater eliminates or reduces the number of organisms sensitive to high temperature and may enhance the growth of plant and fish in extremely cold areas, but only after causing damage to the indigenous flora and fauna. Habitation case study integrated wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment wastewater, including sewage, can be treated in an integrated manner. Wastewater by utilizing a mix of artificial and natural process. An example of such an initiative is in the town of Arcata, USA, situated along the northern coast of California. Collaborating with biologists from the Humboldt State University, University is the labor biologists town to the labor people created an integrated wastewater treatment process within a natural ecosystem. Natural system integrated wastewater treatment. The cleaning occurs in two stages. The conventional sedimentation, filtering, and chlorine treatment. After this stage, lots of dangerous pollutants like heavy metals an innovative approach was taken. The biologists developed a series of 6 connected marshes over 60 hectares of marshlands. They have marshy areas with connection to all. Appropriate plants, algae, fungi, and bacteria were seeded into this area. Bacteria, algae, which neutralizes, absorb, and assimilate the pollutants. Heavy metallurgy, heavy metal, pambi thaore, yareko, pambi, microbes hence, as the water flows through the marshes, it gets purified naturally. The marshes also constitute a sanctuary. Marshy area, say pambi with a high level of biodiversity in the fishes, in the form of fishes, animals, and birds that now reside there. A group of people, friends of the Arcata Marsh, are responsible for the upkeep and safeguarding of this wonderful project. All this time, we have assumed that removal of wastes requires water. There is creation of sewage that but what if water is not necessary to dispose of human waste like excreta? Human excreta disposed of. Can you imagine the amount of water one can save if one didn't have to flush the toilet? The toilet flush method. Well, this is already a reality. Ecological sanitation. Ecosan is a sustainable system of handling human excreta using dry composting toilets. Toilets is the number 2 Udwina saiba, language teko, Udwina, Levacumas Harpiqua, Aduga, Edulanyativa, Harolandwinico. This is practically practical. In the Kanyanite, a favor, hygienic show, efficient and cost effective solution to human waste disposal. The key point to note here is that with this composting method, human excreta can be recycled into a resource, which reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. There are workings in many areas of Kerala, Sri Lanka. Video solid waste. Thank you very much.